Welcome to the Friendly English Podcast. Learn English easily, naturally, and with fun. Daily routines, real conversations, practical phrases for beginners. Subscribe now and join our friendly English community.
You're going to learn something simple, useful, and very real. Weekend shopping. Maybe you go to the supermarket every Saturday. Maybe you go to the mall. Maybe you visit a small shop near your home. And maybe you feel nervous speaking English there. Today, I want to help you feel calm, ready, and confident. I want you to feel like English can be simple. You do not need difficult words to speak well. You only need everyday phrases and a warm voice. And I am here with you. Hello, my friend. I'm Sophia. Welcome to the Friendly English Podcast. This is your space. Your warm corner of the internet. Here, you can learn English the calm way. The gentle way. The friendly way. I know you want to speak English in your daily life. Not just in books. Not just in tests. But at the supermarket. At the checkout counter. In the fitting room. At the bakery. At a small store. Today, we practice all of that together. So sit comfortably. Take a deep breath. And let's begin our weekend shopping adventure in English. Maybe you have experienced this. You walk into a store. You see the cashier smiling. You want to say something. But suddenly your mind becomes empty. No words. No sentences. Just silence. You feel embarrassed. You feel slow. You feel small. And later, you think, why? Why is this happening? I know English. But why can't I speak at the store? My friend, there is nothing wrong with you. This happens to almost every English learner. Small conversations are harder than big lessons. But after today's episode, you will feel ready. You will have real phrases. Natural phrases. And you will hear them many times. This will help your brain relax. When your brain relaxes, your English becomes clear. Part 1: Entering the store. When you walk into a shop or supermarket, sometimes employees greet you. They might say, "Hi there. How can I help you today? Let me know if you need anything. Welcome. Please ask if you have questions." Your simple answers can be, "Hi. I'm just looking." "Hi. I'm looking for something." "Hi. I need some help, please." Repeat after me. I'm just looking. I'm looking for something. I need some help, please. Thanks. I'm good for now. Part 2: Asking for items. Let's say you are at a supermarket. You want to find bread. You can say, "Excuse me. Where can I find the bread?" "Excuse me. Do you have whole wheat bread?" "Excuse me. Which aisle is the bread in?" Repeat after me. Where can I find the bread? Do you have whole wheat bread? Which aisle is the bread in? Now imagine you want vegetables. "Excuse me. Where are the tomatoes? Do you have fresh carrots today? Is the lettuce over here?" Repeat. Where are the tomatoes? Do you have fresh carrots today? Is the lettuce over here? These questions work for any item. You can use the same structure. Just change the word. Part 3: Asking about prices. Sometimes the price tag is missing. Or maybe you want to compare. Here are natural phrases. Excuse me. How much is this? What is the price for this one? Is this on sale today? Do you have a cheaper option? Repeat after me. How much is this? What is the price for this one? Is this on sale today? Do you have a cheaper option? Part 4. Trying clothes at the mall. Now imagine you are at a clothing store. Excuse me. Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? Do you have this in a medium? Do you have this in a different color? Repeat after me. Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? Do you have this in a medium? Do you have this in a different color? After trying the clothes, you might say, I like it, but it feels too big. It feels too small. Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a bigger size? Repeat. It feels too big. It feels too small. Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a bigger size? Part 5. At the checkout counter. Here are real phrases you will hear. Did you find everything today? Would you like a bag? Do you have a membership card? Credit or debit? Cash or card? Would you like your receipt? Your answers. Yes, I found everything. Yes, I would like a bag, please. No membership card, thank you. Credit, please. Card, please. Yes, I need the receipt. No receipt, thank you. Repeat after me. Yes, I found everything. I would like a bag, please. Credit, please. Card, please. I need the receipt. No receipt, thank you. Let's do a fast practice. I will play both parts. Listen first. Then repeat the whole dialogue after me. Conversation 1, Supermarket. Employee, hi. Can I help you find anything? You, yes, please. Where can I find the rice? Employee, aisle 3, on the left. You, thank you. And how much is this one? Employee, it's $5.50. You, great. I'll take it. Repeat the whole conversation after me. Now conversation 2, clothing store. Employee, hi there. Do you need any help? You, yes. Can I try this on? Employee, sure. The fitting room is over there. You, thanks. Do you have this in a smaller size? Employee, yes. I'll bring it to you. You, thank you. Repeat after me. Idioms and cultural tips. Idiom 1, window shopping. Window shopping means looking at items without planning to buy them. Many people do this on weekends just to relax. You can say, I'm just window shopping today. Idiom 2, shop around. Shop around means to check different stores before buying something. Example, I'm going to shop around before I choose a new jacket. Cultural tip, in many English-speaking countries, people say excuse me very often. Even for small things. When they pass behind someone. When they want to reach for an item. When they walk through a narrow space. Using excuse me makes you sound polite and natural. Try saying it softly and calmly, excuse me. Word 1, aisle. Meaning, a pathway between shelves in a store. Example, the milk is in aisle 7. Word 2, receipt. meaning the small paper that shows what you bought. Example, keep the receipt in case you want to return something. Word 3, checkout, meaning the place where you pay. Example, the checkout line is long today. Word 4, sale, meaning a price discount. Example, these shoes are on sale this weekend. Word 5, try on, meaning to test clothes by wearing them. Example, I want to try on this jacket. My friend, I want you to remember this. English is not about perfection. English is about connection. When you speak at a store, the goal is not perfect grammar. The goal is small communication. A smile. A simple question. A simple answer. And you can already do that. You have learned many phrases today. You have practiced them. You have heard them many times. You are growing. You are improving. You are becoming more confident every week. I am proud of you. Truly proud. If you want more videos like this, tell me in the comments. And if you want gentle English lessons every
Thanks for
week.
listening to the Friendly English Podcast. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next episode. Like, share, subscribe.